Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to deploy our Qolda model. First we go to the GitHub page and copy the link, and then go to the Visual Studio Code and paste it, git clone and our GitHub link. After cloning it, we can see our files in the folder of the Qolda deployment. Here is the files in our folder. As the next step, we go to the GitHub page again and copy Docker Compose -d and run it in our Visual Studio Code. To see if it's working, we need to go to the Docker desktop and see. Here we can see that we downloading the model. As the next step, we need to go to the Open Web UI page to its documentation. Here we can see a lot of versions how to install the Open Web UI, and we choose NVIDIA GPU support. After copying it, we need to run it again in our Visual Studio Code and check if it is working in our Docker desktop. Alright, here we see our Open Web UI, and if we go to the localhost 3000, we see that it's working. After that, we need to register and register our model too. For that, we need to go to the admin panel, settings, connections, and add our link. Just press the plus button and we see our add connections pop up. It should be host docker internal 2333/v1. And we don't need our authentication for that. We go to the main page of the chat. We can see that ISSAI Qolda is connected. Yeah, here it is. Thank you.